Hey guys, welcome to this particular video on the CISSP twister of the day number 148. Before we start, right? Do you guys remember the old saying, somebody sitting on a tree and cutting the same branch, and we used to call that as a foolishness? After going through this particular video, you will understand why I am saying so. So you have to wait for just 5 minutes. I am going to explain the entire thing to you. And guys, if you don't know me, my name is Manoj Sharma and I am somebody who simplifies CISSP or CISM or CRISC exam for you. And in this particular video, we are focusing on a very important topic from a CISSP perspective, that is trusted platform module, a very testable topic from domain 3. With that said, I want to give you a challenge. So let's go to the next this thing. Take a pause and go through this particular question and put your answer in the comment box below. I want to see how much you are embedded into this particular topic, how clear this particular concept is for you. So I hope by now you have selected your right answer. If no, again pause the video, go and put the comment first. And now let me explain you what this particular question is saying. It says a trusted platform module, we call it as TPM, right, can be removed from a device and used in another machine, providing the most secure storage for cryptographic keys. Now, before we head into understanding this particular question in detail, I want to give you a perspective here, right? Tell me, what is the most important control when it comes to data security? That is encryption, the last control which can be a savior for you. If your access control, your network security, your endpoint security, everything fails, that is your encryption. And that is the reason why people who have laptops, they are carrying data in their laptops, they are traveling. It is a big concern for companies that if the laptop is stolen by somebody, that's okay. If the laptop cost is gone, that's okay. But what about the data on top of that particular laptop? Don't you think that's a bigger concern? The data is the biggest concern. The value of the asset comes later, but it is the value of the data which is most important. So you need a particular mechanism to encrypt your hard disk drive. So when you encrypt your hard disk drive, let's say you have encrypted your hard disk drive and you're keeping the same key on the same laptop, don't you think we are talking about the same analogy where I told you a particular person sitting on a particular tree, sitting on a branch and cutting the same branch? On hard drive, if you are encrypting the same hard drive and keeping your key also on the hard drive, it is something like the same. So what I mean to tell you here is, it is very important that you store the key in a very secure place. And the best secure place is TPM, that is your trusted platform module. This is one of the, a small chip which is available on your motherboard. It has its own processing capabilities as well. And believe me, it is something which acts as a black box, which means that you can already pass input to it. You can give certain commands to it, but you cannot see how the entire processing is happening. You cannot see what is in the kitchen. You don't know that, right? And this is where TPM come into picture. It has something called as an endorsement key. For example, there is a secret key you need to store. There is a digital certificate which you need to store, and there is a trusted key which you need to store. You can store in TPM. It will be first encrypted by the endorsement key and then will be stored in the TPM. And this particular key is coming with a default key from the manufacturer. So this provides you a very high level of security when your data has to be secured on a particular asset. And that is what is your TPM. Because this particular TPM chip is embedded on your motherboard, definitely it's not possible for you to remove it and take it on the next system. Even like, for example, your laptop is stolen, somebody take out your particular hard drive, not this chip, your hard drive, put it on the another laptop, it's not going to work. he will not be able to see the data what is there on the hard drive. So that's a very important topic and a very important control. And again, from a CISSP perspective, from CISM perspective, it is very testable. I hope this particular thing is clear to you. Now, before I leave this particular video, I want to put forward another question to you. Now, on a system level, we are using TPM, right? What if you have so many systems? For example, you are somebody who is doing a particular, providing a service to the customer, and you need to protect multiple keys. What kind of solution you are going to use? Tell me in the comment box. And guys, do not forget to subscribe to this particular video. If you are preparing and enhancing your career to get CISSP, CISM, CRISC and these kind of certification, I am somebody who simplifies the way for you. I am somebody who mentor you end to end. So do not forget to connect with us on LinkedIn. I am available on LinkedIn, right? You can see in the comment box. And also, if you are already prepared for your entire thing, you have done a lot of hard work, do validate your knowledge through my mock test on Udemy. You can get it on a discounted rate and it is available in the comment below. With that said, Jai Hind, and I am going to see you in the next video.